Alright, so what's up people? The Mad Fish Scientist here, Javier. And this is just a quick video showing you guys a past project from a black nasty and a parrotfish. In my own words, I made a red nasty. At that time, I was told I was the only one in the States that had done that. There's a guy in Thailand that supposedly did it around the same time. But basically, I had taken this footage to kind of shut up a guy that was telling me that it was impossible and that I had no proof. So this is a past filming. It's kind of old. It's when I just moved into this home. Didn't have a lot of tanks in here. But I figured I'd share it with you guys because I've been really busy, haven't been able to film anything. And I kind of wanted to share that with you people. Because I know if you're on this channel, you're crazy like me. You like the hybrids. So, I mean, there's a lot of purists that hate me. I like purists too. So, I got some species that I just won't cross until I at least have breeding pairs of that species. So, you know, share it, let people know that, you know, people that like stuff like that like hybrids, like crazy stuff, think out of the box. I mean, you guys probably think I'm insane. I'm trying African cichlids with centrals. So, and there's only one way to find out if it works, is to try it. I don't go by people tell me. So, subscribe, hit the notification button, spread the word, and the Mad Fish Science, I'm going to keep this coming, guys. I mean, this is what I do. Whether I film it or not or get subscribers, is what I do. I have the Jaguar fry going, so that's going to be updated pretty soon. But this is just a short video of a previous project, black nasty parrotfish. Enjoy, guys.
This is a 50-gallon container. Ran out of tanks using this, only 20 bucks. Pretty big. Black nasty. I got him cheap because of his tail. He was born deformed, I guess. Didn't pay much for him, but he's awesome still. Her tube is down, but she's petrified of him. He's not killing her, but he doesn't seem interested. Up a little bit in here. Yeah, let me see if I can show you guys her tube. Not the clearest view, but they serve their purpose. 50-gallon container, holds a lot of water. If you keep the lid on it, it doesn't bulge on the top. I just cut the holes for the filter and to feed them and access and net them. It's not bad, works pretty good. I'll be getting a couple more and building a rack out of this since it only costs 20 bucks. You can see her tube down, see? Yeah, there you go. But she's not laying yet. Don't know why. He doesn't seem interested. That might be a reason. At first he was, and now he's kind of just keeps her in her little corner. And whenever she tries to go to that nesting area, he goes at her. Hoping it works out.
Guys, don't know if you can see it. There's thousands of fries there from the black nasty and the blood parrot. Just massive fries. So red nasty's coming to you live.
Guys, there goes the swimming fry with black nasty dad. Blood parrot. Did she lay again? Hopefully she didn't. I don't want to see her. Man, I swear these 50-gallon containers are awesome. 20 bucks. I don't think I'll ever buy another fish tank again. This is my Black Nasty slash Red Devil hybrid. It's the only one I got left. It's a girl. She faded.